Hey, what's up, friends? Ray with Docket Timberworks. Real quick, I'm contemplating starting a new channel. I didn't want to rehash and reuse content, so I'm just kind of scrubbing my phone and finding some of my older stuff that I have filmed without having to reuse content. Okay, so this is my first time trying to chunk up something like this. Check it out, it's still frozen from outside, but it's kind of a firewood shape. We'll maybe go natural edge. See what she does. Well, I really don't have the camera set up to document this one. I'm in between stuff, but I'm just kind of showcasing it as I go. Kind of cool looking. I haven't used a blank in this shape yet. Alright, this is what it looks like before we flip it around and take the tenon off. Little streak of ambrosia in there. It's got some of that mold. And it's interesting. It's got a little bit of figure in it. I just did some homemade abrasive paste on it, which always kind of ends up weird because this is going to be once turned green, but it puts a nice, a nice finish on it, and it's going to dry and then need to be re-oiled anyways. So that's what she's looking like. Well, this was a fun one. I snapped the tenon off at once. I don't really have a coring set up. I was just using a 5/8 bowl gouge and a regular tool rest. It's a little bit deep for it, as you can see how much nub is left plus the tenon. So it was a little bit deep for a generic setup, and I snapped a tenon and was able to recover. So that's cool. Just a little jam chuck in there. I don't custom fit them. I made this one like the first couple of weeks I started turning, and I still have it. Different shape, kind of cool. Different blank. Not what I'm used to. Came out though. I'm happy with it. This maybe could have tapered in a little bit more. But then again, it's got a nice sturdy base. So I think overall I'm still happy with it. All right, thanks guys.